Planning. Planning is the process of thinking about the activities required to achieve a desired goal. It is the first and foremost activity to achieve desired results. It involves the creation and maintenance of a plan, such as psychological aspects that require conceptual skills. The concept of planning. The planning process comprises analysis of the environment, setting the objectives, develop premises, determine and evaluate alternatives, selection of the best alternative, formulation of the derivative plan, budget formulation, implementation of the plan and follow-up action. The nature of planning. Planning is the conscious, systematic process of making decisions about goals and activities that an organization will pursue in the future. Planning is essentially a process to determine and implement actions to achieve organizational objectives. As shown in diagram, it is a process of where, when, how, what, who and why. Purpose of planning. The fundamental purpose of planning, however, is to help the organization reach its objectives. A vigorous planning program produces many benefits. First, it helps managers to be future-oriented. They are forced to look beyond their everyday problems to project what situations may confront them in the future. Objectives of planning. This is the very first and most basic step of the planning process. It involves the planners to basically first lay down their objectives. One simply cannot make a plan without knowing what it aims to achieve. Objectives are nothing but the accomplishment of end goals of every activity. Planning process. Planning is the process of thinking about the activities required to achieve a desired goal. It is the first and foremost activity to achieve desired results. It involves the creation and maintenance of a plan, such as psychological aspects that require conceptual skills, in steps as follows. 1. Establish a plan. 2. Gather information. 3. Analyze the situation. 4. Develop a plan. 5. Implement a plan. And 6. Monitor the plan. Types of planning. 1. Operational planning. Operational plans are about how things need to happen. The setting of work standards and schedules. 2. Strategic planning. Strategic plans are all about why things need to happen. This is a setting of broad, long-range goals by top managers. 3. Tactical planning. The identification of specific, short-range objectives by lower-level managers. And 4. Contingency planning. Backup plans in case primary plans fail. Operational planning explained. An operational plan is a highly detailed plan that provides a clear picture of how a team, section or department will contribute to the achievement of the organization's goals. The operational plan maps out the day-to-day tasks required to run a business and cover key factors in operational planning. 1. Consultation. 2. Budgetary. 3. Calendar of events. 4. Maintenance schedules. 5. Training plans. 6. Facility use schedules etc. Strategic planning explained. Strategic planning is an organizational management activity that is used to set priorities, focus energy and resources, strengthen operations, ensure that employees and other stakeholders are working toward common goals, establish agreement around intended outcomes results, and assess and adjust the organization's direction in response to a changing environment. It is a disciplined effort that produces fundamental decisions and actions that shape and guide what an organization is, who it serves, what it does, and why it does it, with a focus on the future. You can see the strategic planning circle on right side. 1. Purpose mission. 2. Purpose goals. 3. Examine internal issues. 4. Examine external issues. 5. Create a SWOT analysis. And 6. Formulate strategy. Tactical planning explained. Tactical planning occurs after a business team or individual has created a strategic plan that outlines general goals and objectives. A tactical plan describes the steps and actions that must be taken to achieve the goals from the strategic plan. Figure on right side shows tactical plan. 1. What action to take. 2. Who to implement plan. 3. How to execute the plan. And 4. When to implement. Contingency planning explained. A contingency plan is a plan devised for an outcome other than in the usual or expected plan. It is often used for risk management for an exceptional risk that, though unlikely, would have catastrophic consequences. Contingency plans are often devised by governments or businesses. Contingency planning and resilience include 1. Business continuity, 2. Crisis communication, 3. Critical infrastructure protection, 4. Occupant emergency, 5. Information system contingency, 6. Cyber incident response, 7. Disaster recover, 8. Continuity of operations, etc.
Thank you for watching our channel. For more updates, please subscribe and share.